Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add compression transition effect. So it's super simple and I think this video is especially for some of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time and you don't know how or where is the compression transition effect. So first you can select your videos or just images to edit. For example, right, I'm going to select as images. Go to transition to add the composition transition. So this is composition. This is for effect. You have to change browsers to be able to use this effect. After you download it, just add to the track and you can adjust for the duration right here, and you can apply it to all the clips and click the play button to see for the final result. That's it. You can combine with effect. So select effect you like to add. Yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.